Good morning, little learners. Are you ready to learn some math? Very good job everybody, you're all ready to learn some amazing math. So my little kids, let's start our lesson. But before starting the video, subscribe to our channel and like.
Hello my little kids, I am your math teacher Nancy. Your teacher Miss Maira is our head teacher. So whatever, we are going to be learning some amazing things like addition. It's so much simple. But some people say that math is so much hard, so if it is hard for you kids, so this video is made for you, so please watch this video carefully. Addition is a way to combine two or more numbers to find their total. It's a basic math skill that we use every day, whether we're shopping, cooking, or playing games. Let's get started. When we add, we take two numbers and combine them to make a bigger number. For example, if we have 2 apples, we add 3 more apples. How many apples do we have in total?
5 apples.
That's right. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Symbol we use is a plus sign. So, we write this as 2 plus 3 equals 5. Let's use some visual aids to help us understand addition better. I have some blocks here. If I have 4 blue blocks and 2 red blocks, how many blocks do I have in total?
6 blocks.
Exactly. 4 plus 2 equals 6. It's easy to see when we use the blocks to count. Now it's your turn. Let's do some practice problems together. 5 plus 2.
7.
Great. How about 6 plus 3?
9.
Excellent. You're all doing fantastic. Before we finish, let's play a quick game. I'm going to say a number, and you add 1 to it. Ready? 4 plus 1.
5.
What about 7 plus 1?
8.
Fantastic. You all did an amazing job today. Keep practicing at home, and you'll become addition experts in no time.